Good morning, students. Today, the third week of online teaching, we are going to begin a second lesson of history, that is India before the times of Shivaji Maharaj. Before moving towards this lesson, we shall study about the various powers which were ruling before the time of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. And which are the powers which were ruling India in different parts. Pala dynasty was one of the famous dynasty which was ruling in 8th century, and this dynasty was famous in Bengal. They were ruling Bengal province. Now towards central India, there were Gujars and Pratihara. These powers were ruling central India. And what they did, these Gujars and Pratiharas, they increased their rule, they increased their power till Andhra, Kalinga, Vidarbha, Kannauj, Gujarat, West Katwar. These are the places from central part of India. They were conquering other territories and they were increasing their power. That were Gujars and Pratiharas. One of the power which was very famous in West Bengal, it was which dynasty who was very famous in 8th century, that was Pala dynasty. Now moving towards north, even Rajputs, they were ruling. Gadwals, Parmars, these dynasties were also famous in North India. They were ruling. Now among Chauhan dynasty, when we study about Chauhan dynasty, one name comes in front of us. A great ruler, a great king, that is Prithviraj Chauhan. Defeated Muhammad Ghori many times. That was Prithviraj Chauhan, and he belongs from his dynasty, that is Chauhan dynasty. Details we are going to study about them in chapter, that is India before the times of Shivaji Maharaj. Only the dynasties which were ruling India before the times of Shivaji Maharaj we are going to study. We studied about, I told during the starting of this lecture, that is Pala dynasty. It was very famous in Bengal in 8th century. Then in central part of India, it was Gurjars and Pratiharas. Then Rajput dynasty, Gadwal dynasty, Parmar dynasty, they were famous in north. Then there was Chauhan dynasty. Regarding Prithviraj Chauhan, I told you, a valiant king, a very great king. Then moving towards Tamil Nadu side, there was Chola dynasty, which was ruled by Rajaraj I and Rajendra I. They were also two great rulers, that is Rajaraj I and Rajendra I. These Cholas, they were also ruling. It was not only Tamil Nadu, they were ruling Maldives, they were ruling Sri Lanka even. Then Hosal king, Vishnuvardhan, he also conquered Karnataka. He also was ruling Karnataka. That was Hosal king. One of the another dynasty, very famous dynasty, that was Rashtrakutas. They were famous, and Govind III was ruling that dynasty. That was Rashtrakuta, which was ruled in Maharashtra. Maharashtra, the power of this king, that is Govind III, he increased his power in Maharashtra, and Rashtrakuta power spreaded from Kanuj to Rameshwar. Remaining dynasty will study in next online period. Thank you and have a nice day.